Want to double your conversions? One of the fastest way is by creating an irresistible funnel offer stack in GoHighLevel. Let me show you how. Start with your main product or service. This is your core offer, the reason people enter your funnel in the first place. Then stack irresistible bonuses. Think templates, checklists, free consultations, or exclusive access, all built right into your funnel pages in GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel, drag and drop your landing pages, checkout forms, and upsell pages. Add visuals of your offer stack so prospects see everything they're getting. Use GoHighLevel's automations to send reminder email, SMS, and even voicemail drops to keep leads engaged until they buy. Finally, layer urgency with countdown timers or limited bonuses. GoHighLevel makes this easy with built-in widgets. And that's how you create a high converting funnel offer stack in GoHighLevel. Stack the value, automate the follow-up, and watch your sales grow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.